want to change the default keyboard in WhatsApp? Here's how to do it. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the chat to start typing. Once the keyboard appears, tap on the keyboard icon in the bottom right corner or the top right depending on your device. Select the keyboard you prefer from the list. You can set your preferred keyboard as the default in your device's settings. If you prefer a specific keyboard for typing faster, you can download one from the Google Play Store or App Store. Do you have a favorite keyboard app? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.